if you want to check how much RAM your laptop has and also see the RAM speed and how many slots are used, I'll show you 3 quick methods in under 3 minutes. First, we will check your total RAM size, then we'll check RAM speed and slots used, and finally I'll show a command to confirm the details. So let's go to method 1. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to System, then scroll down and click the About. Here you will see installed RAM. In my case it shows 16 GB. So it means I have installed 16 GB of RAM in my system. Now let's move to method 2. The method 2 is the best one because it shows RAM speed and slots. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape button at once to open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, then click Memory. Here you can see your RAM speed. For example, 2933 MT per S is my RAM speed, and you can also see how many slots is being used. In my case, I have 2 of 2 slots used. If it says 1 of 2, that usually means you might have an empty slot available for an upgrade. If it says 2 of 2, both slots are used. So upgrading usually means replacing one of the stick. Now method 3 is a quick command to confirm the details. First of all, open command prompt as administrator, then type this command and press enter. This shows the capacity and speed for each RAM stick installed in your device. If you see 2 lines, it usually means you have 2 RAM stick installed just like mine. Just to recap, settings shows your total installed RAM, task manager shows RAM speed and slots used, and the command confirms the details per RAM stick. If you want, I can also show you how to check whether your laptop RAM is upgradable and what type of RAM you need. Just comment your laptop model name and I'll make the next video. If this helped, comment RAM checked and subscribe for more quick Windows laptop fixes and speed tips. Thank you. See you in the next video.